Hey, dog. Alright guys, so we are in Fred's Bait and Tackle. We're just in Deer River. We're headed up to Upper Red and fish with First City Guide Service. Be up there in a couple hours here, or an hour. So, gonna get some licenses, find out what the secret baits are, and we'll head up, finish the trip. We'll see you there. How's it going?
Hello. So you guys got a 4-man?
Yeah.
You know which house do you have?
No, he said a 4-man premium, I guess, is what he called it.
Yeah, it's Buddy's house.
Yeah,
Yep.
right.
Just follow me.
All right.
Propane, we check that every day. Go ahead and come on in. Always just hold on to the door. You never know when it's windy. Can we rip the door right off? It's not fun. So yeah, here at First City we have 18 rentals on the ice. We also guide in the summer. Me and Chaz both do out of our boats. In the middle of January every year we move from Red Lake up to Lake of the Woods. Just to get on better fishing for our customers, obviously, because the bite kind of dwindles off here. We pretty much are booked all year round. Every single weekend we get a few, houses open midweek, but we're pretty packed all the time, so it keeps us pretty busy with the 18 houses. So,
What's the action been like lately?
if you notice, we just got across that pressure ridge that you crossed, and it's all been fresh ice over here. You can see there's mile houses, just a line over there. You can't even see the shoreline. We're kind of off by ourselves over here, and fishing's been pretty good. So yeah, the night bite's especially good right now. Most people are, I've been driving by, making sure generators are running in the morning and stuff like that, and most lights aren't on. People are up late fishing. Yeah, a lot of people are bites going well into 2-3 in the morning right now.
Cool.
Rattle reels going off constantly. I had one else telling me that they'd left them up after like 2 a.m. so they could get some sleep.
Huh. All right. Well, we'll get after it here then. We'll get unpacked.
Sounds good.
Well. Pick it up just slowly. Oh, there you go.
He smiled on you there, Coach. I did see it. What a moment out here for these guys. This is
Perch.
Breeze. 4 left. These two quarterbacks will play in the Verbal Fiesta Bowl. We talked about J.J. McCarthy and Mexico.
Aaron, will you pick up my dead stick just ever so slightly? Hold it right there.
Come on, fish.
My minnow is swimming over the top of the sinker. Okay, you can set it down. It's coming towards Dad's. You should start seeing a fish here in a minute.
He's there. One's
Looking
my
at
sinker
it.
and one's my minnow. Oh.
Ate it. Nope. Just looked like I could see it flared its gills. You got it, he's on. I saw him take it. I saw him come by it and your sinker went with it.
Yeah, my sinker went out of my screen.
Yeah.
We might not keep this one.
Look at his.
You little tough guy.
He's looking at it. Looking at it. Took off.
Oh, he's on that.
That is a long one, isn't it? That's like a northern or something. See if I can entice him back in a little jigging. Nope, he's gone. He's out of here. Oh, here comes another one. A couple underneath the dead sticks.
He's under the dead stick, all right. I'll get it.
Can't see it.
Leave it.
Can't see it.
You got it.
Tiny.
Holy cow, what in the heck is that? Watch this. Northern. Wow, he's not
You
biting
see
in.
that?
Hey, don't jump on the floor. Huge. He's just cruising through.
I just looked up and I had a mark that was that big.
He left. He's giant northern. Whee! That's northern. All day. Give me the gaff, Aiden. Here he comes, head first. Oh.
You get him?
Oh.
Got him. Holy moly! That is a big fish.
Not a bad day.
Oh, I got it, buddy.
Hold it.
He wants to come up backwards, Aaron. Pull it. Oh, pull it. He got his hand up.
That should be all of our 17s then, shouldn't it?
Yep.
Boom.
Look long. $18.
17 and a half.
All right, so we got a few today. Got a couple there. I think we ended up with all of our limit over 17. And we got all of our limit over 17, and we got 5 more on top of that with a couple perch thrown in. Don't probably have a whole lot of video for you, but the action was pretty slow and far between. But we got some of it. Aaron got a 32-inch pike. Let that one go. We should have some pretty good footage of that. But we got another day and another morning left, so we'll bring you that. We're gonna take these up to JR's and cut them and cook them, and so we'll be back later. Hey, good morning. It is day 3 for us. It's New Year's Eve, and we ran the rattle reels overnight, and Aaron ended up having to pull them up. We had so much action overnight, but just little guys. I think he only ended up keeping 1, so I think we got 3 in the bucket against our limit of 12 today. So we're gonna try to fill that up and take all them home back to Iowa tomorrow. I don't know how much time we'll be able to fish tomorrow, so. I think Aaron's fish probably got in it.
Okay, we're gonna shut down Cornelius Johnson. No, you got Roman Wilson. You got.
There's a fish down there, so.
He's down. Jig this one, Kevin. Do it slow. Don't spook him. It's a big fish. Pretty good Walter.
You see what you're doing? Don't wiggle.
That'll do.
What? Try again.
Get that all on camera?
Yeah. Let him get it.
All right, quick wrap up here. We're headed home. We got 9 yesterday. We threw a few shorts back. We were hoping to get a couple more over 17. Never happened. Rattle reels went off just a little bit overnight. Not a whole lot. I think a couple times. Nothing to talk about there. So definitely a grind here this weekend. We had a fish on screen about every half hour and every other one bit. So we were fishing as hard as we can, and it was tough. So but I think that's kind of the way it is when you can't be mobile. And we were fortunate enough. We caught quite a few fish through the 3 days that we were here. I mean, we cleaned fish every night, so we did pretty good. But it was definitely a grind. It was hard for Aiden to stay focused on what we were doing, and he spent a lot of time on the internet. But we had a good time. We'll be back. We'll try something new maybe next year, but hope we can put a video for this together. I don't know how some of the videos looked, but we're going to do our best with putting it together for you, and we'll see what happens. Talk to you later.